Hello friends, I will tell you how to add equations in Solidworks model. Okay, let's start. I have three disks. You can see in the configurations 100 mm and 200 mm and 300 mm. 200 mm, 300 mm. Now we will add equations with this whole dimensions. Double click on model and go to tools for equations. Click here, select D1, .25 into, select the dimensions, then OK. Select D2, sorry, click here, select D2, 0.25 into, select this dimensions, then OK. The equation has been added. OK. Now you can see 200 mm, 300 mm. Like this, you can add equations in solar system. Thank you. Thanks for watching.